we're down to our last 2 targets. Set them up like bowling pins, more of this crap. I just want to get rid of it. Some beef broth. Yeah, expired 2014. I don't think I'm going to use it. In case anyone's wondering, it's hot. I'm sweating horribly. My face is dripping, getting sweat in my eyes. It kind of sucks. But what the hell, not in the range of blowing up stuff. What do I care, right? Make it rain. Smells like beef soup. Half the garbage can is still intact. What do you think? Should I shoot it? The hell we couldn't. Of course I'm going to shoot it. Tore that up pretty good, I'd say. Oh, I hit right on the edge too. I gotta like that. Yeah. Yeah, it was just some mindless destruction. No real scientific value behind it. Now if that offends you, let me know. If it doesn't offend you, let me know. If you don't let me know, I won't know.